Yo, what up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Just first of all, want to say sorry for those that are following us, as we did reach our 100 subscribers mark, so thank you to everybody. Right now, at least video wise, we've been kind of on a halt, just because we do have some things outside of the channel that we are trying to take care of. So because of those matters, we haven't really put time into this, which has been pretty slow. And since today we are doing a track event again at Laguna Seca, I figured you know, I'll record for you guys, not as before, like so vlog and stuff like that. I don't know how long it's gonna be, but in this track event also, I'm the only one that's going, unfortunately, due to other things too as well, cars being down. The EP3 is not going to be there, but my cousin Jesse is going, and Felix also, his car is down, so he is not going to be there as well. But both of the guys, Felix might be out there to show some support, just to hang out, but I'm actually going to be on my way right now to go pick up my cousin, and we should be on the road right now pretty soon, just letting the car warm up. It is about 6:57 around there in the morning. You guys can see. But yeah, hopefully it's a good turnaround. We have a good day. We're just gonna chill, so we're not gonna go too crazy with the vlogs. It's the same thing from every time, you guys seen it. But yeah, I'll include some little snippets here and there, trying not to make the video that long, maybe just the one part of this time. And yeah, can't really say much, but I want to thank you guys for the support, and I'll give you guys an update on the whole giveaway that's still going on. Just like I said, because of the things that are going on, it's been on the back burner, but be assured it is going to come real soon. I am working on it, and I'll give you guys an update on what is going on with that in another video. But stay tuned, stay here. Hope you guys like this video, and let's head out to Laguna.
Take it back!
Where did you learn to drive like that?
The car hand rig in it.
everybody. So hope you guys like the video. I know it might be short, it might not be edited well or whatnot, but you know, that concludes our day today for our Laguna Seca event. I'm already home, dropped off my cousin. It's a good turnaround. Finally beat my personal best. Not happy with it though. I think I can still get below the 2-minute mark. There is a lot still to learn. There's a couple things that I already know I need to upgrade on, and we're gonna show you guys that along the way. Right now, kind of want to thank, even though you guys probably didn't see a lot of footage, but there was a couple homeboys that we went, barely met them. But yeah, thank them for letting us hang out with them for a bit while we were there. And they also invited us to another event, and hopefully we can make it out to Button Willow, I believe. So that might be the next goal. We've been wanting to try another track, and hopefully that turns out to be the track we get to go to. There is a couple of things that are going on with other people's cars. You guys have seen my cousin's FD, so hopefully we're talking about already getting to work on that car. So hopefully you guys will see a lot more content on that car. And also Felix's car. He's already working on that car in particular, and we might even get an engine swap from one of his cars to the other, as he is a lot more motivated right now to get that car up and going for the next track event. But if not, you're going to see almost the same car, same setup. I know he has some things that he's working on. So stay tuned, and I'll give you guys an update on the whole t-shirt giveaway. Trust me, I'll give you guys an update. I'm trying to figure that stuff out right now. But as soon as we get an update on that, I will let you guys know. The giveaway is still going on, and I want to thank you guys for all the support that you guys have given us so far. But until the next video, stay posted. Thanks, y'all. Till the next one.